Bago tayo magsimula, ipopromote ko lang ang Mystic Queen Power Bracelet. So para sa mga naghahanap ng Evil Eye Bracelets, available na po ang dalawang klase ng Evil Eye Bracelet sa ating shop. So meron tayong Selenite Evil Eye at Obsidian Evil Eye Bracelet. So parehas lang merong protection and cleansing properties. Ang kaibahan nga lang is ang Selenite is nagre-recharge rin siya ng mga crystals and semi-precious stones na kasama niya. So pwedeng isuot nyo to alongside with other bracelets and i-recharge din niya yon. Ayan. And marami rin tayong iba pang mga bracelets dito for protection and also for healing, attraction ng money, love, and prosperity. Ayan. So, lahat po yan nasa aking online shop. Pakicheck nyo na lang po. Lahat ng link ay nasa description. Happy shopping! Sagittarius, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at titingnan natin ang energies ng inyong kaperahan. Ngayong September 2023, money, career, finances. This is a general reading sa maaari kayong makarelate. Maaring hindi. Just take what resonates. Panoorin nyo rin yung Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs ninyo para sa iba pang mensahe. Meron tayong video na nagpapaliwanag tungkol doon. Link on the description. And thank you so much sa lahat ng sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder that you have the power to create your own reality. So gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Okay. Let's see, Sag. For September. This is your overall energy. Two of Swords. You're going to make a decision in your career, in your finances. Yung iba nahihirapan. Hindi kayo makapili. You are indecisive. Let's see your challenge. Ano yung challenge ng mga Sag? You have the Knight of Cups. Parang ano to yung iba, parang yung deal na pinagpipilian ninyo, meron dito gustong-gusto nyo, pero hindi ganun kalaki yung kikitain nyo or susweldohin nyo. And the other one, may mga sacrifices, pero malaki yung kikitain nyo. Mahirap nga yun. Mahirap talaga. So, let's see your opportunity. Ano yung opportunity ng mga Sag? Ooh. You have the opportunity to end a career, a business, a situation na you feel na masyado ng stressful. Kung meron kayong pipiliin, piliin nyo yung kung saan nyo gusto, yung mahal nyo. Piliin nyo kung saan kayo mas nag-enjoy. Ayun. Kasi, di ba, if you love what you're doing, if you love your job, you will not work you will not work any day of your life. Parang ganun. Tama ba? I-correct nyo na lang ako. Basta kung ang trabaho or career ninyo ay gusto nyo, no? Hindi nyo mararamdaman na nagtatrabaho kayo kasi you are passionate about it. So you have the opportunity to let go of the things or career, business na stressful na sa inyo. So your blessing, diba? Meron kayong sisimulan na career, business na mas enjoyable sa inyo. Maaring this is resonating with your passion. And not just your passion, but your childhood dream. Bata ka pa lang, pangarap mo na. Kaya lang baka, due to some circumstances, hindi mo na-pursue dahil may ibang kailangang unahin. So, what is the Two of Swords? The Six of Wands. Your decision, no? Itong decision mo na to, magagawa mo naman to Kailangan mo lang mag-decide doon sa kung saan mas feeling mo magaan lahat. Oo, magaan sa loob. Na kaya mong gawin nang hindi mabigat sa kalooban mo. This is the Queen of Pentacles. Yung iba kasi sa inyo rito, maaring marami kayong obligation, no? Sa family nyo, sa iba nyo pang mga mahal sa buhay. So, nagiging mahirap sa inyo na isipin yung sarili nyo kasi iniisip nyo pa rin yung ibang tao. What is the Ten of Swords? Meron ditong different perspective, no? Meron kang opportunity to get something that you really want. Okay? Kaya lang parang some of you talaga undecided, which is yan yung pumipigil sa inyo to experience something new. Yan yung pumipigil sa inyo na makarating doon sa bagong experience. And see, speaking of bagong experience, the blessing here is there's a new career, business that is going to be fulfilling for you. Kung hahayaan mo lang yung sarili mo na pumili ng bagay na malapit sa puso mo. Some of you creative na trabaho. Some of you gusto nyo na maraming tao, or you are being famous, popular, ganyan. Yung iba sa inyo related sa music, related sa arts. Your finances are healing. Maaring iba sa inyo nagkaroon ng challenging situation sa pera. Just continue to do what's best, and you will soon see great results. Ayan, may mga minor mishaps. Kailangan nyo lang daw i-review yung trabaho ninyo. Yung mga naging pagkakamali, yan ay nagtuturo sa atin ng lessons. Oo, maari kasing yung iba, andyan na yung opportunity, pinalagpas nyo pa. So, minsan sinisisi natin yung sarili natin. Sayang, no? So, move on, move forward, focus on your current situation, kung paano mo mas mapapalawak yung network mo. And some of you, nasa social media, nasa internet, andyan pa yung maraming opportunities na mag-open up sa inyo. You're going to build your network, yung mga connections mo. The unknown brings wisdom when explored. See? Iniisip nyo kasi siguro na na bakit ako pipiliin to, hindi ko pa to proven and tested. So, might as well magstay na lang dito sa proven and tested kaysa maguluhan ng isip ko. Kaya lang itong proven and tested na to, proven and tested mo na rin siya na stressful. So, pumili ka kung alin. 'Di ba? So, the unknown brings wisdom when explored. So, I think some of you are going to explore new opportunities, things that you've never done before. Yung wala kang idea pa kung how it works. As long as open ka naman na matuto, mag-aral. And yung iba sa inyo, networking, no? When I say networking, hindi yung mga products, pwede rin naman ganun, but yung network mo, yung connections mo ngayon, yun yung tutulong sa'yo na mapaunlad yung situation mo. See, you are going to shine. Sisikat ka. Merong fame dito, magiging famous ka, popular. Music, spirit quartz. O yung iba sa inyo, related sa music ang inyong business, trabaho, career. Maaring producer kayo ng music, or you are a singer, you are an entertainer, you are an artist. Ayan. And yung iba naman, maaring merong mga messages, spiritual messages na matatanggap kayo through music na marirealize nyo, oh, that's the message na kailangan ko. That's the confirmation. Trust your faith. Dive into the unfolding journey. What is your faith asking of you? Ayan. So, ito na yung unknown na magbibigay sa inyo ng wisdom pag in-explore ninyo. So, importante yung pagtitiwala nyo sa sarili ninyo. Yes, you are unfolding something new. As long as may tiwala ka sa sarili mo, ano man tong tatahakin mo, kahit na hindi mo pa to alam or hindi mo alam kung ano magiging resulta nito, basta kompleto yung tiwala mo sa sarili mo, you are going to be successful, you are going to shine. Okay? So, that is your reading, Sagittarius. Kung nagustuhan nyo to, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe, para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Sagittarius. See you again.